Pono mean balance, the way for live right, like the stars in the sky, steady all night. Taro roots deep, feed the land, feed the soul. Give ohana love, keep the spirit whole. No just talk story, Pono's action time. Respect the āina, respect the line. Balance between man, gods, and nature. Keep the peace alive, no room for danger. Cool bring the fight, Lono bring the rain. Both the sides gotta stay in the game. Sacrifice pig, light the imu fire. Prayers rise up, lift our highest desire.
Pono Pono, balancing day and night. Do what's right, keep the heart light. Ho'opono Pono, fix what break inside. When aloha lead us, no place for hype.
Pono simple but strong like the stone. Good vibes grow when we build from bone. Take care of the land, keep the people whole. Pono's the key, the way for soul. When things get broken, we talk, we heal. Ho'opono Pono, make the peace real. Truth come out, forgiveness flow. Let go the pain, let aloha grow. Humility strong, hospitality wide. Mana grow deep when aloha ride. No shame for admit when we went wrong. That's how we build a Pono strong. Like the kukui tree, give light in the dark. Pono bring hope, the eternal spark. Balance inside, balance all round. When Pono stay, blessings abound.
Pono Pono, balancing day and night. Do what's right, keep the heart light. Ho'opono Pono, fix what break inside. When aloha lead us, no place for hype.
Pono simple but strong like the stone. Good vibes grow when we build from bone. Take care of the land, keep the people whole. Pono's the key, the way for soul. Pele's fire blaze, motor waters flow. Opposites fight, so the island grow. Fire and water, birth and destroy. Pono keep balance so no one's lost boy. Lono's makahiki, time for rest. No war, only peace, give the best. Gives to the gods, harvests grow wide. Pono cycle the island's pride. Ali'i nui hold a coolie and a tight. Keep Pono strong, day and night. Path of Ku need warriors might. Path of Lono, bring the light. Pono no just word, it's lifestyle. Hana Pono show him we worthwhile. Careful ohana, āina and sky. That's the way we live, no need to lie. When kapu strong, mana flow right. Respect the gods, respect the fight. Pono keep peace inside our soul. Balance the world, make whole the whole.
Pono Pono, balancing day and night. Do what's right, keep the heart light. Ho'opono Pono, fix what break inside. When aloha lead us, no place for hype.
Pono simple but strong like the stone. Good vibes grow when we build from bone. Take care of the land, keep the people whole. Pono's the key, the way for soul. So Hana Pono, live Pono every day. Walk the right path in the Pono way. Balance inside, balance all round. Pono stay strong, blessings surround.